Welcome back, fellas of Tax Press. Today, what I want to be doing here is to talk a little bit more about how to send your money from Wise directly into your banking account. So, sending money from your Wise account to a bank account is a straightforward process, similar to making a withdrawal or moving money between your own accounts. So, here's a general guide of how to do it. First of all, what you want to do is to log in directly here into Wise. Once you open the Wise account, you usually have a cost to have to log in directly to your Wise account to the website or use an actual application. Then what you can do is to start the actual transfer. To start the actual transfer, if withdrawing from a specific currency balance, what you want to do is to go to the currency you wanted to send from and click into send. For example, let's say that I am from Europe, so I choose this specific element. So here is. Now, what I need to do is to choose my money and choose the option that says send. What I need to do is to send this money for a specific recipient. In this case, should be myself. Now, as you can see that myself doesn't have an actual currency of the United States. So we need, of course, to focus for something from Europe or the United States or something that actually works for Euros. So keep that in mind. So if you don't have that added directly in here, you wanted to choose the actual currency, for example, let's say United States. Choose your banking details so you can enter all of this information. And really important to choose the option that says that this is for myself. So I choose my whole name, my routing number, my account type, enter the wire information, the SWIFT information from your account, and you're actually good to go. Once you have now the currency of the country you're going to be receiving, let's say for example that I wanted to send this one directly into my account. So I sent this directly into my account. Now this is the part where I wanted to be talking a little bit more about the currencies. Let's say that you have received euros or USD dollars and you wanted to send this for Canadian dollars because my bank only works for Canadian dollars. In my case, it actually works for Mexican peso. So I needed to choose my availability and what happens, of course, when I send this money directly inside here. So here, for example, it says that I needed, of course, to change this for this element. Now, the smallest amount for you can send is this amount. So this, in my case, it just won't let me. But in your case, just go ahead and choose paying with and choose, for example, your exact element. And where it says deliver now, this has delivery estimate not available because we don't have now information yet to be added directly into this specific transaction. So I'm going to close directly in here this element. I'm going to focus directly for my total balance if you haven't added the total balance. So let's say that I head back. I go directly into this element. I had put out another currency. And let's say that I wanted to add another currency to send and receive money. So I choose the actual currency that I wanted to receive. So let's say that I scroll a little bit down. I choose the currency. I go for confirm. And when somebody sent me money, my account should be now having this element, right? So in my case, for example, I have my currency. I select the currency that I wanted to withdraw, which in this case should be this one. And I choose to send this element directly into my account. Now, when you choose the recipient, of course, when you enter the bank information, when you have now review and pay all the element, you have to review all the details of the transfer, including the amount exchange rate and fee and arrival time estimate. When you confirm and send the money, you may need to enter your website passcode or use biometric authentication to finalize the transfer. This is the part where we wanted to be talking a little bit more about the fees and the limits. Wise aims for transparent and low fees. So fees for sending. The fee for sending money generally varies by currency start from around 0.33% of the transfer amount. The same currency transfers, if your bank account is the same currency as the money in the Wise account, the transfer is often free. and the different currency transfers, a small conversion fee charged based on the mid-market exchange rate, and sending of course the limits, because these are limits on how much you can send, which depending on the currency and how you pay. So Wise will inform you if you try to send too much at once. Now, here, as you can see, is the information about the latest transaction that I have done directly here into Wise. Usually people ask how long a Wise transfer takes to arrive into the bank account can vary based on several factors, which is, for example, from Wise balance. If you have your Wise balance into a bank account, this usually have and often instantly. If this is an international transfer, they can range from 2 working days. If the transfer involves a SWIFT code, which is the code of your banking account, this can be taking up to 2 to 5 working days. And there are a few general delays on weekends, on public holidays, and security checks, and time to check the transfer process. You wanted to check that in mind. Check out the details of your transaction. Check out if everything was correctly, just in case you didn't have to transfer, send it out. Just in case you have any questions, or you wanted to talk a little bit more about something that you think that didn't go well, focus for your account into the upper right corner. Focus for the option that says help. And here you wanted to talk a little bit more about the recent transaction, and you can locate a live agent to get started. So with this information, we have reached to the very end of the video, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools how you can use Wise and how to send, transfer, and receive and withdraw our money. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.